Hey fellas, welcome back from Captain Jack. Today we'll be learning our first simulation circuit, which is the regulators. So let's start. Let's look how the schematic looks like and how we are going to simulate. So this is how the regulator circuit looks like, the simple 12-volt regulator, and this one is the dual supply, that is plus 5 volts and minus 5 volts regulator. So I will just simulate and show. So after the simulation starts, this is how you can check on the voltmeter that you are supplying 230 volts from the transformer, you get 12 volts and output is also 12 volts. Oh, I need to change this. So over here you can see there's 230 volts, and after the regulator circuit we get 5 volts output and minus 5 volts output. Oh, and also, did you notice the schematic master sheet over here? It has changed from the last time that I had demonstrated, right? So we'll be learning this too on the way to making our regulator circuit. So let's start with it. Let's stop the simulation first and go to the title screen of Proteus software. So this is the title screen. Let's click on new project. After clicking on new project, our first step is always to write a name for the project file. So today, what will be the name? What will be the name? After Perl, the first thing that comes to my mind is always Windrose. So let's see. So let's name our project as Windrose. Then we have specified the path. Click on next. Now you have the various design templates for a schematic. So last time I had clicked on default, but right now you can see I have a special template made for myself. So let's try to make a template again. So this is landscape A4. Just click on any other template you would like. Click on next and finish. So after click on finish, you can see the landscape 4 template looks like this. Here we have the file name, we have the design title, which is same as the file name, and the author name is not my name. This is not good. So if we have to make any changes to this template over here, this master sheet over here, so let's go to template on the toolbar, go to master sheet, and now you can change the various things that are listed over here. So let's first click on design title, right click on design title, go to edit properties and give the name as regulators or whatever circuit you are making. Click on OK. So this is the master sheet. You can move whatever is written over here, you can change the name of the page and so on. I would like to change the author name too. So after this is done, I have to do is go to design and click on root sheet 1. So I have changed from master sheet to the root sheet where I will be making the changes. Now if I have to make this as my template, what I will do is go to template and save design as template. After that you can see our templates over here and you can give whatever file name you would like to. Like I had given the Perl, this time I can give it as Windrose and so on. But let's not make a template again and again. So this is my template for today, and today we'll be making the regulator circuit. So for reference, we'll be referring a regulator circuit from a pre-made circuit or own made circuit, but we'll have to change the tabs again and again. So to avoid that, what we can do is click on file, import image. So I have downloaded an image from the internet, which is a simple regulator circuit. So let's go to the drive where I have saved that image. Here we go. So click on all files and there we have 12-volt power supply and dual supply. So I'll click on 12-volt power supply right now. So this is the power supply that we are going to make right now.